In this video we will talk about dog ear infection, deep ear flush, and how to treat an ear infection in your dog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Remedies for itchy dog ears. Number 1. Yellow dock. To quiet the itching, due to a yeast infection or allergies, add 2 tablespoons. Dried yellow dock in 2 cups water. Bathe the ear flap and skin with the lukewarm tea. Keep the liquid out of the ear canal. Number 2. Olive oil with tea tree oil. Add 1 drop tea tree oil to a 1/4 cup warm olive oil. This mixture will soothe and clean the outer ear and treat an underlying yeast infection. Olive oil with tea tree oil will also suffocate ear mites. Number 3. Zymox Otic. Zymox Otic, available at pet supply stores, treats both yeast and bacterial infections. It does not contain antibiotics, but uses active enzymes. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe will not cure an infection, but the gel can be soothing. Only use gel that you can purchase at a grocery or drugstore. Do not apply the juice straight from the aloe leaf. This can be harmful to your dog if he licks it. Number 5. Gentian violet. Use 16 drops gentian violet in 16 ounces rubbing alcohol. Add 4 tablespoons boric acid powder. This solution will treat ear infections caused by yeast or bacteria. It will also soothe and stop the itch. Number 6. Isopropyl alcohol and vinegar. Moisten cotton balls with a warmed solution of equal parts alcohol and vinegar. Carefully clean all debris and dried blood from the outer ear. Do not let the solution get into the ear canal. I hope you found some useful information and tips. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.